NSS ko NSS ki matangda na koina khangingba mayam leramgani adu ai hana haige adu taseng har kan sida noi khara yawbusina na koina mathang mathang sandoko ko sandoko adu aina assembly da ngangba khotpa tobu mayam singsi moi mayam si gyan tanade aduga koigi satra singna madugi ꯁꯥꯇ꯭ꯔꯁꯤꯡꯅ ꯃꯗꯨꯒꯤ ꯈꯪꯗꯕꯁꯨ ꯂꯩ ꯑꯗꯨꯅꯤ ꯑꯩꯅ ꯅꯣꯏꯗ ꯍꯥꯏꯅꯤꯡꯉꯤꯁꯦ ꯑꯗꯨ ꯃꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯁꯔꯇꯤꯐꯤꯀꯦꯠ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ ꯑꯥꯏ ꯑꯦꯝ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯤꯄꯦꯌꯔꯤꯡ ꯌꯣꯔ ꯁꯔꯇꯤꯐꯤꯀꯦꯠꯁ ꯑꯗꯣ ꯑꯩꯅ ꯅꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯁꯔꯇꯤꯐꯤꯀꯦꯠ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯤꯄꯦꯔꯦꯁꯟ ꯇꯧꯔꯤ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯤꯄꯦꯔꯦꯁꯟ ꯇꯧꯕ ꯃꯇꯝꯁꯤꯗ ꯅꯈꯣꯏ ꯅꯁꯥꯅ ꯅꯣꯏꯅ ꯈꯪꯒꯗꯕꯁꯤ actually you have to present two special camp ko adubu for those who submitted your names aingondha register aina 1 to 50 group ama semani adu puspa ga tawraga madu semani adu aina muksu haigi aigi matam gi kai hai tare thabak ama pangthok ngam na bohona bada aina chin thi da ba hai ba tare ko chin thi badi na taba hai tare karigumba nokoina keno si tau taragadi koigi camp si yaw taragadi hana ming thaga to mi su yaw ba yagani haina aina noida haigi ko adubu ai adu ki potisu adu manage to godoini because you know in TG Higher Secondary School we have a lot of activities lay adu noina hayeng aingonda complaint torokani nakoigi hoji certificate piram dai matam yorokpanina madugi complaint oi chaning de ko ado ai mungi part mistake amasung handicap khar laigedo jaga si kai no har ka sida number 1 aina list ama thagat kibuduga adagi nakoigi kem jaw angang haga ani sida ani mo pun yoram boy tari well and good natragadi mingdu list da hana pigiba mingdu list yoram da boy targadi madugi angang singdu angon report taw change aida makoigi alternative arrangement taw na khalli ko aduga akoina list jaw gi angang singdi is already in my hand kem yaw gi angang singdi it is already in my hand ko I going to you cannot cheat it at all because Puspa also knows all these things very well. Then I don't know the hiding is she screenshot of Lahora. Ha, Laura. All everything lowly. Nata. Okay, I don't know the hiding is Noquina, Hojik Loram Dimatam City, you please very much serious for you. Adu Nakoida, Kayuma, Asoba, Amakatang indiscipline over Amakatang or you will not get the certificates. ado masigi certificate sigi value si kai no na har kan sida nang anywhere da na koi ming cheno tamda any colleges tuna na koi recognize to godu ni no preference will be given to you this is one point second point da in case no na ai koi na koi gi keno thengna gre madudi akoi puns ai no za wari se near more than 30 years hele 31 years so jale masile da masigi screen so pami ko masigi sigi kaino si akogi NSS ki certificate sina mokogi at the time of interview say in the say I am chauba pota haige civil service ki thaba angang sing da magi biodata da certificate si hapkadoribni ai ujik chahi si yame no ye na rubu matam da ko adubu aina schooling taminge matam da or college taminge matam da phangiba certificates to hojik pho adum use tawri daka tari ba biodata sem da yauri aduna certificate sing no yam section na thangadobuni section na thangadobu siga mari lenana ai no da hari si kai no har kan si da ai hojik nga sai wang da MPSC UPSC na haibdo adamagi career da mana NSS certificate si without knowing my certificate mana sinadaba matamda makam gan sinarke haibada sinarke hai matamda magi interview matamda civil service interview matamda marks interview lo mayam singduna nang NSS yawi hai targadi NSS ki maramda khangu hang question hangjelai gyan dabra question hangjelai NSS se karino NSS clapping kamai kya kui adigi NSS song karino adigi NSS ki haudu mi se kanano adigi adukumba chingba related with the NSS whatever the higher mayam sing say you can get from the internet ko aina sum high bi yawre aina sum class ko tok bi yawre aduna NSS yaurabadina mangonda interview lo mi the impression am kak pire but the aga socialize or kone haina socialize or kone social work social minded chen bani social kai voluntary spirit play bani ne khalla ka che da the interviewer ma selection to whatever aduna the certificates which you are going to get during your school time, college time, and university time is very much important. Aduna now at the time of joining in your colleges also okay but you thakle ba mi takhela mong kana no khangre du maming ga masaka am ta khangna dre ai video ka thaklo and screenshot kan to si and aina noida hiding is kana kanda in the time of this nangi colleges ki matamda uji no you try to join the NSS in the colleges and in the colleges and in the university there are so many facilities for NSS are there and this is the foundation before class 10 you cannot join NSS but in class 11 and 12 you can join it you can join it in colleges and university and a lot of scopes like what happened when you try to join in the college or university the program officers or the coordinator will ask you whether you have joined NSS in the in the class 11 and 12 like that. In that time you can show your certificates, not verbally. You can show your certificate and you will be definitely allowed to join the this in the college group unit in the units. And many times always the coordinator will give more preference to the experienced hand. So you just keep in your mind that to get a certificate is very much important from the school level and in the last and Northeast festival which was held in Manipur University one of our students from class 12 science arts who her name is Sanatampa who is a very talented and very good in speaking and in that he stood first in the individual fashion show and that particular students was invited by many colleges and universities to join in their these STEM institutions requested me to join after completing this class 12 that means they would like to nurture the students in fact Sanat Tampa is a very is not a very popular students among yourselves, and she is not that much beautiful also. So facial structure or skin structure is not the way how to define this beauty and this smartness and all. It will depends upon your nature, character, and way of presentations and confidence. So you please try to develop please don't think that I'm not that much beautiful, I'm not that much smart, I'm not that much tall, this and that. You don't think like yourself. You just be confident and you can achieve anything whatever you like. And as you know that this Susmita Sen, the Miss Universe of this India, it is in the year 1994. Her height is only 5'7" or 5'8" like that. But the competitors from Brazil, United States of America, and other countries, the ladies, the competitors are more than these 6 feet. And at first, she feels shy and even tried to drop from the competition. And her father encouraged her and give her moral boost and to participate in it. And she confidently, after her father's advice, she took part in the competition and she won the prestigious this Miss Universe title. Can you understand my point? So be confident since you are since you are a child up to class 12, we presume you as a child only, not as a Laishabi or an adult. We think that's why we used to say very rough and tough words to you because we think that you are just a child only. So please don't mind about that also. And you also think of yourself that I am a child and I am at the stage of developing my mind, everything. We are here in TG Higher Secondary School just to get some extra knowledge and this experience. Okay, and you are also very much lucky in the sense that you are joining in a school which is very much premium, and the most number of students are very much high in even in Asia also. For class 11 and 12, there is no any other schools who learn who study more than 2000s. You are 2000s for only for class 11 and 12. That's why this DG Tapasna Girls High Secondary School is taken as a premium school in Asia, not in India. Can you understand my point? And you are joining this STEAM school, prestigious school. So try to protect the integrity, dignity, and fame of the school. And lastly, whatever I'm saying about the co-curricular activities like sports or debate, quiz, and all, I'm just telling you again that we have a lot of facilities like sports. If you want to participate, the state of Manipur, you cannot join in the, you cannot get this certificate, or you cannot be selected for the swimming or football, hockey, boxing. These are very tough games. But as you know that we have a lot of games, indigenous games, and indigenous games of Manipur and indigenous games of India, and very very easy game. Whatever the any event you choose to represent the state of Manipur, your certificate will be counted as that as par with this football, volleyball, boxing, basketball, and all. So try to get a certificate in the by choosing a very easy game. You can get it. That part also, as a teacher of this school for the last 10 to 20 years, I am just helping the students also. That is why I am telling you, you can get a certificate in the sports also by say giving your permission from by taking permission from your mother and father, and you can ask everything to me also. I have produced a lot of sports persons in from TG. That sports certificate, NSS certificate, Red Cross certificate, cultural certificates that will make you your career a very brightful in a brightful way. Can you understand my point? Genta bro. So before class 12, Tari bro ingang say, please, are you listening me or not? Please
sir.
reply. Are you
Listening.
listening me?
Yes, sir.
Anybody? Huh? Listen to bro.
Yes, sir.
Very good. I know I'm speaking in English. This is because of the fact that after your class 12, you will join some other prestigious colleges and all. In that time, in that time, they will try to speak in English or Hindi. So at least you are required to know English and Hindi. But even in the south, they used to speak in their own languages. So to know many languages and try to grasp try to grasp the lectures of any individuals, and I know that it is very much easy to learn from the books, but listening to a lecturer of different language is very much difficult to understand. But so many renowned professors, very well educated persons in India or abroad, they will not speak in Manipuri. You understand my point? So they will speak in English normally, and you are required to know, you are required to learn how to understand, how to capture the knowledges from the renowned persons. You have to start learning this part also. Simply learning, you cannot get your goal, because the teachers who are very much expert in that particular field, whatever you know, he digests and he has enough knowledge of the particular field, and in that particular field he is very much expert. And so in your career of this class 11 12 of 2 years, you cannot get that much experience and knowledge in compare with the professors or teachers. So listening from the teachers is very much important, and listening needs more intelligence than the speaker also. That is why you try to you please try to say learn habituated in listening from others. Listening will increase your knowledge. Okay, this is very much important to my part. What I would like to say is is these co-curricular activities. Just my son, last video, and I will tell you one important thing. Say, for example, say in the mathematics I think all of you this learn up to class 10 mathematics. Natra, you have learned mathematics in class 10, up to class 10, and some of the students are not taking mathematics in class 11 and 12, but up to class 10 you have some knowledges of mathematics. The knowledge of mathematics is very important, and you know that mathematics is the language of science, is the father of science. And in mathematics you are learning how to solve the problem, how to memorize, and how the logic, reason, everything is included in this subject. That is why mathematics is called the father of science, and it's also the language of physics. Without knowing mathematics, it will be very much difficult to learn physics. So, and some students who are not, I'm not saying that mathematics is the is everything for all subjects. I'm not saying mathematics is the only subject which can which we have to learn. That is not I'm saying. That part I'm not saying. I'm saying just try to know something. And up to class 10, I think you learn mathematics. So simple things. Say 1 to the power 100 is what? 1 to the power is 100 is what? It is 1. It's not it. Natro, chumi chum de hayo ne. 1 si 100 lag puri mo tumda kya tage? Kumo. 1 listen to the check to I'm just checking whether you are listening to me or not. 1 si 100 lag puri bada kya tai? Answer piro. Anybody?
1.
1, yes, aduneba. Adi amo katang hai ko. Anything class 10 na sutam bab ngak anything to the power 0. Adi 5 to the power 0 kya tai? Haro 5 to the power 0. No suga machine su class 10 tamutro. 5 anything to the power 0 equal to chinema anything to the power 0 equal to 1 I say class 10 mukta tamam ganita. Belinda, you also can speak. Anything to the power 0 equal to 1 natra. Adi jamana bani 5 divided by 5 equal to kya tai?
1.
1. Amati kumi konjel amati kanano khangde. Kanano kumi ja. Very good. Mami ngaro kanano kumi ja.
Sanigan.
Okay. That's the teacher. That was just speak for Pandra. Okay, just do the Adukuma put my am sing si no I tathrake do no kumbatan but no tan but no abuka don't do no white. Just be careful. And I do Shilakadore, no tan to you have to miss Oitorami. I don't meet trate to join the way. I do 5 to see why she had to do this sentence. Please listen to me very, very carefully this part. Because I NSS scheme on the high using Lumasu Lajere, the future somebody was Lajere, and the mathematics part I see Tanga Hiram Gay. This is very important. I do Japanaba Masing Ani. Yet never matamda if when you divide 5 divided by 5 or 6 divided by 6 or any number which is divided. The nuts and the sing is joined. Okay. You will get Janupam joy to Sele. My family phone number organi and you will get your this 1 targeting. Natra 5 divided by 5, 6 divided by 6, you will get this 1. But 0 divided by 0, you will not get 1. Taro, Sibo Kangelo go. And again, 1 to the power 100 is 1, but 1 to the power infinity is not 1. I will and 0 multiplied with any number, 0 multiplied with any number is 0 multiplied with any number is Zero multiplied with zero. Zero multiplied with zero. 0 multiplied with 0 is 0. Yan tama. You multiply with 0 with any number and you will get 0. But if you multiply 0 with infinity, 0 with infinity, you will not get 0. This is also very important. These small tips, when you when you learn, when you capture, you will get a lot of extra knowledge. And this is a stage of what I should say. This is a stage of learning. So, and every step you have to learn, and every step you have to capture the knowledge. And then zero, I don't know, you have seven numbers. I don't that you will not get it from your textbook. Zero, zero to the power zero is undefined. Zero to the power zero is also undefined. Zero divided by zero is also undefined. Jadi masing like hai ni ko zero to hai ni. Zero into infinity is also undefined, and infinity divided by infinity is also undefined, and infinity minus infinity is also undefined. So we have seven numbers, seven functions, or you can say functions. Angka khangda mina di haraga su functions hai na harage maming amani hariba taret che amu tu na hidra kem ko isalo ko 0 to the power 0, 0 divided by 0, 0 into infinity, 0 into infinity, at the infinity minus infinity, infinity to power infinity, infinity divided by infinity, hariba taret che masidi taret chidi akoi mamagi value leite angkada. Adunani akoida mathematics is the father of science harakanchida akoi life after death exists or not kana khangriba, God exists or not khangriba. Say aina haiduni 98% of the scientists in the world, they believe in God, but khangdo mayam lay ko si haraga ilo sinjage any question hangnu matamda amuk matangda interest layga di matang jum tawsi.